Hello everyone. Welcome to Health and Beauty Resource. It's time to take your health and beauty routine to the next level. Our Health and Beauty Resource channel videos help you learn the best ways to stay healthy, manage your weight, and improve your appearance. Subscribe now to find out all the tips and tricks.
It's not as easy as it sounds to put on muscle or gain weight. But there are also diets for gaining weight. Just as there are for losing weight, high calorie and high quality protein intake should be the main priorities of a diet plan for weight gain. The best diet for weight gain should include a nutritious, balanced food rather than just empty calories and fats, though, so that you can acquire weight. A healthy food plan for weight gain gives you access to vital nutrients while promoting muscular growth. Any diet plan for weight growth should have as its main goal to provide you more calories than you expend each day. A smart diet strategy for weight growth, however, calls for increasing consumption of all the macronutrients, including calories, proteins, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. Therefore, pick your food plan properly while considering its nutritious worth. Being underweight is just as difficult as being overweight. Additionally, being underweight has its own unique set of health risks, including exhaustion, a weakened immune system, recurrent infections, frail bones, pale skin, and brittle hair. Therefore, selecting a successful and healthy eating plan for weight gain is essential. You've come to the right site if you are looking for the ideal diet to help you gain weight. What is a healthy weight range? Your body mass index, BMI, determines your healthy weight range. To calculate your BMI, divide your body weight by your height in meters square. The answer you get is your BMI. The causes of underweight: high metabolism. Each individual has a unique body type, no matter how much they eat during the day. Those with a high metabolic rate don't put on weight and instead stay slender. Family history. Our genes greatly influence how our bodies are shaped and how much we weigh. Your weight will change if you are genetically thin and have a low BMI. Anorexia nervosa and bulimia nervosa are eating disorders that cause people to maintain an underweight (GHT) condition. Medical illnesses, diabetes, hypothyroidism, infections, cancer, etc. are just a few examples of conditions that might make you lose weight. Mental illness. Mental illnesses like melancholy, anxiety, stress, and eating disorders can also induce an appetite reduction and result in weight loss. Tips for weight gain for a healthy weight. Foods high in calorie. Eat foods that are high in calories and rich in nutrients, such as bananas, avocados, and full-fat milk, to gain weight in a healthy way. In order to gain the appropriate amount of weight for your body type, you must consume a diet high in calories. Therefore, in addition to consuming high-calorie foods, one must be aware of the appropriate high-calorie foods. Homemade granola bars, tofu, avocados, chickpeas, and other high-calorie, nutrient-dense foods may all be included in your diet. 2. Take in good carbs. It's a common myth that eating carbohydrates contributes to weight gain. The reality is that gaining weight relies on how many calories you consume. Therefore, you can increase your intake of nutritious carbohydrates like fruits, whole grains, red or brown rice, potatoes, sweet potatoes, and bananas to aid in a healthy and secure weight gain. Try to incorporate some sort of high-quality carbs into each and every one of your meals. Receiving the nutrients that the body needs to function effectively requires a balanced meal. 3. Foods high in protein. Our muscles are made of proteins. Your attempts to gain weight may be ineffective if you don't consume enough protein. Lack of protein in your diet might cause calories to be converted directly to fat and can make it difficult to keep a healthy weight. To gain weight and develop lean muscle mass, consume -2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Excellent sources of lean proteins are chicken breast, turkey, almonds, lentils, beans, fish, eggs, and milk. 4. Reduce stress. Stress decreases appetite. yet it can also enhance it in certain people. Stress is particularly detrimental to your mental and physical well-being in both situations. Try to limit your exposure to stress. To reduce stress, try meditation, deep breathing, relaxing with music, hot baths, and exercise. Power training, developing lean muscle mass, not fat mass, should be your goal. As a result, it's imperative to exercise and perform weight training at least 2-4 times per week. Your body may remain sculpted and toned with the appropriate set of activities. You can incorporate exercises like push-ups, lunges, and squats in your training. 6. Get enough rest. A restful night's sleep is extremely beneficial for your health. A solid 8 hours of sleep helps maintain your body in shape and strengthens your muscles. Hormonal imbalance is a result of sleep deprivation. It may result in fatigue and exhaustion, making it impossible to engage in any physical activity necessary for a healthy lifestyle.